Come on, man. He gonna electrocute your nipples.
Life with Jeezy, man.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all tune into the channel, man.
Yeah, I see.
Be like me, support him, man.
Keep getting better and better.
What it do, Jeezy gang? It's your boy Joe G's, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. And today, unfortunately, we taking the truck back to the dealership because I don't know what was happening, but they gotta fix it. And I'm glad that my salesman said that they seen this, so they ain't gotta charge me because they knew that it happened and they can fix it. But I'll be back in y'all in a second. But yeah, y'all. So I got the truck February 14th, Valentine's Day. And then I didn't get to pick it up until, what, the 20th? So I picked it up on the 20th. It was cool that first week. That next week, I had noticed that the key got stuck in the ignition. I don't know, like, it wouldn't come out of accessory mode. I don't know what the heck it was. So I'm like, all right, maybe it's just the way that I'm trying to take it out. Maybe it's something I'm doing. I'm like, all right. So that whole week it started doing it. Like, all right, man, I'm gonna go ahead and hit up my salesman. So I hit him up and I told him, and they was supposed to call me to schedule the appointment because the truck was supposed to come in. This would be 2 weeks ago when I hit him up. So that would have been, I would have probably got it out last week sometime, like early last week. But they didn't call me, so the following week, it started doing it more. I mean, like every time I turn this motherfucker off, it would not come out. Like I would have to leave the key in here and wait and then come back and then take it out. So I end up hitting him up again. He was like, all right, I'm gonna end up, he had the people call me. They end up calling me right after he end up texting me right back, like, hey, pick up. So I got in the shower. And I end up calling him back. We got it scheduled. The next day after we get it scheduled, I was out. I wanted to go do something. I turned the car off, the key came out fine. I came to get back in, and then it said, it was telling me to fix the, like check the ECS or whatever, and then power steering and shit. Man, bro, I was about to go to work and everything. Like, man, it was stiff as heck, bro. It was stiffer than a board, bro. And I sent him a video. Again, good thing he was like, oh, snap. We seen that came up, but it did go right away. So I'm like, all right, perfect. You said y'all seen it, and you text me that. So when I come back, y'all gonna fix that. And then, like the next day, the check engine light, no, later on that day, the check engine light came on. And then when I end up going to work, I end up going to work when it was stiff. And then when I end up getting off, it wasn't like that no more, but the check engine light was on. And then the next day, the check engine light went off. So now we are at the day of the appointment. So now we're going to drop the mother sucker off. And we got to get this fixed because I enjoy this truck a lot. And either fix it or give me another one. No changes in anything, I'll just change trucks. That'll be fair for me. So, with that being said, we are on our way up to McCluskey in King's Auto Mall to drop the truck off. My lady gonna come up to pick me up in the Impala, and we gonna chill until we gotta go to work. And then when we get the truck back, we gonna be back with y'all. But I'll see y'all when I get up there to McCluskey. All right, y'all, so we just left McCluskey. I ain't even put a camera out when we was up there. Hopefully it is what she said she think it is. She put the thing in, because it ain't been doing it since that power steering stuff came on and all of that. Since that stuff came in, the key ain't been getting stuck. But what she said, she think it might be the battery, or she had the little what's the name hooked up to it, and she was like, it might just be a switch. Cause hopefully so, and hopefully they can get it figured out in a couple days, and I got my truck back because we need it. And yeah, they need to hurry up. So guys, I'm about to modulate around before I go to work, and I guess I'll see you guys when I come back to pick up the truck in a couple days. All right, y'all, I almost forgot, but it's a couple days later. Well, it's actually like almost a week later, and I'm back up here at McCluskey waiting for the truck to come. But I was sitting in the car, wifey was talking about this bad boy right here. This mug so nasty. This mug freaking Black Widow. I think it's a 25. Oh, it's a 24. What they want for this joint? 57 standard price. 66 bands. 67 basically. Do it got brown? It does. It does got the decent seats in it. Got the nice screen, the roof. This bad boy hard. It's the, I want to say it's that like sand color. This mug so nasty. They got a couple of these Black Widows. They got that purple. They got a gray one over there. If y'all can see the gray one right there. They had a purple. Yep, they go the purple one right there. That purple one, the nastiest one. That one. And then it's like this gray one. Oh, there go the red one. I don't see the gray one. I don't know if y'all can see the red one right here. But there was a gray one over there too. That gray one was cold. This motherfucker now, oh, they got the matching bow tie. This mug cold, boy, with the big, what? These some 22s. Hell, yup, some 22s. This bad boy nasty. This mug super nasty. I ain't gonna hurt. Oh, that's what it come with. Yeah, this mug so nasty, y'all. Already got the interior. BlackWidowTrust.com. You feel me? They already got the big lift. See, I don't want to sit up this high, but and they got the electric step bars. This mug nasty, bro. I'm about to go take y'all over here so y'all can see this red one real quick, cause this red one hard. I like legitimately forgot about the whole video and I almost didn't come back to y'all. If wifey wouldn't have said nothing, I wouldn't even have came back to y'all niggas, cause it's cold out here. But we gotta see this red one. Definitely gotta see the, oh, here go the electric joint. This bad boy nasty too. That bad boy cold too, but we ain't about to look at that. Is this mine right here? No, that ain't mine. This motherfucker is so nasty, bro. The matte red, I don't know if it's a wrap or what, but this is cold, bro. This one is nasty. Like this one, big nasty. Electric step bars, of course. I mean, it's set up the same way, but this red is nasty. Like, red going crazy on here, boy. This one. Oh, they got the door. I don't keep wanting to open it. Oh, this mug is trifling with the red lights. Him nasty. Him all the way nasty. The big Black Widow on the, man, this hard. What's that up? How much is this one? The same price. This mug so nasty, yo. This bad boy so hard, bro. Yeah, definitely say this one over that sand one. I even say that one over, I don't know, man. That purple one cold. Man, get down in the comment section if y'all seen that purple one from the video when I took delivery of my truck. Y'all seen that purple one. Get down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think better. That red one, that sand one, or even this gray one. The gray one to me is the least. The other three look better. The other three definitely look better. They got better rims on the other ones too. Them rims ugly. This might be a 2500. Yeah, this is a 2500 though. Damn, they only want 58 for this one. Damn. They got this one on lock too. We ain't worried about this one. We ain't worried about getting this one. This bad boy clean. It's decent. Man, that red, bro. That red cold. Y'all, that red cold. Man, I'm telling y'all, boy, that red something else, man. I need these dudes to hurry up, though, so I can get my Jones and get the hell up out of here. You know what? Cold, so I'm gonna see y'all when the car comes. And, yeah, because it's cold, and I want to get back in the car because it's cold. Like I said, I'm gonna see y'all in a second. All right, gang, it's another couple days later. So they fixed half of the problem with the truck, but the truck has to go back to the dealership because GM still ain't shipped out the goddamn ignition switch or whatever. Once that comes back, I gotta take the truck back to the dealership so they can finish fixing it. But who knows? Fucking around with GM, who knows when that's gonna be? Because it's already been it was supposed to be done last week. Then I didn't get it back until Monday. I don't know. So hopefully they can hurry up and get this done, cause I don't like what be happening. And yeah, it got to be fixed. But yeah, with that being said, we done drag this video on way too long. So we gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Tell them niggas I ain't playing games. Tell them bitches I ain't playing games. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell the judge I ain't saying names.